Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand logo in Illustrator with clean vector paths step by step clearly. Begin by opening Adobe Illustrator and loading your logo file. If your logo is a raster image, select File then Open to find your image. Once opened, create a new document with a suitable size for your project. Next, place the raster image into your new document by selecting File followed by Place. Position the image where you want it on the artboard. Lock the raster layer by clicking on the Layers panel and selecting the lock icon. Create a new layer above the locked raster image for vector tracing. Select the pen tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Begin tracing the outline of your logo by clicking to create anchor points. For curved sections, click and drag to create smooth curves with the pen tool. Continue tracing all elements of your logo, ensuring to stay as close to the original as possible. If you make a mistake, use the Direct Selection tool to adjust anchor points as needed. Once your paths are complete, select all the vector paths you've created. Group the paths by right-clicking and selecting Group from the context menu. To add color, select each path and use the color picker to apply the desired colors. If your logo has text, use the Type tool to recreate the text in a suitable font. Align the text with your vector paths using the alignment tools in the top toolbar. Once satisfied with your vectorized logo, hide or delete the original raster image. Finally, save your work by selecting File, then Save As, and choose your desired format. Your logo is now restored with clean vector paths, ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.